how to change your cursor color within Windows. So go ahead and go down to the magnifying glass or just do a Windows search. If you just do mouse settings, from that option there, go ahead and click on that. It'll then bring up mouse settings and it'll ask you to select a bunch of different things. If you want additional mouse options, which we do, we can go ahead and select on additional mouse options. And then from here we'll open up a tiny little mouse properties window. And then from there you have a bunch of more options. You got pointers tab, and you can choose different looks for your pointers, stuff like that. We keep going over though, eventually we'll get to the color one. We have pointer options, wheel, and hardware. So we go to adjust mouse and cursor size, and then go down to change pointer color. We then have a little color wheel which we can then select to pick our color. And that is how you change color by going into the mouse settings in Windows.